Introducing the Vosera collection of gas fire pit tables from the Outdoor GreatRoom Company. The Vosera collection was designed and is manufactured right here in Minnesota and features a breakthrough faux concrete material called Enduracast. Enduracast creates a surface that looks like concrete but is just a fraction of the weight. The Vosera collection is available in linear and round shapes as well as 3 colors: linen, latte, and natural gray. Vosera also has a bundle option that includes a matching Enduracast side table, perfect for holding drinks, snacks, decorations, and more, while also housing a 20-pound propane tank. All Vosera fire tables ship with the burner pre-installed and weigh less than 100 pounds, so setup of this fire table is as easy as removing it from the box, installing a AAA battery into the sparker, and connecting the gas line. 1 to 2 people can handle this with ease. Warm up your outdoor space with the Vosera collection of gas fire pit tables from the Outdoor GreatRoom Company. Visit outdoorrooms.com to learn more.